Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the Candy Blossom on Roblox. So let me just show you guys right here on Grow a Garden. And then I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and join just so you guys can see. So let's just wait for this to load up so you guys can check it out. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. So let's just give it a second for this to load up here as you can see. All right, so as you can see guys, here we are in the Grow a Garden, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get the Candy Blossom, guys. So let's get straight into the video. So this is super cool, guys, as you can see. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. So let's get straight into the tutorial. This is super easy, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So yeah, let's try it out, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, all right? So as you can see, it's there. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go over to this website. So it's called scriptsgod.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So once you're on this site, all you got to do is just go ahead and press the button that says browse all scripts. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So let me just go ahead and press that. So I'm going to press browse all scripts and choose Candy Blossom. So I'm going to press on it, and then it's probably going to have a button that says start injecting. And after this, it's going to ask you if you're using an iPhone or an Android. So pick the device, press inject, and the last step is the verification. So this is where we have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. That's completely for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So as you can see, guys, it's going to say verify now. So you just want to go ahead and download some of these apps and follow the instructions. So they're completely for free, guys, as you can see. So just make sure you do a couple of them. So I'm going to do Evertail, so it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here, as you can see. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So for the other app, I'm going to do Tokyo Debunker. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So let's just go to the home screen and see if it worked. All right, so let's find out. So I'm just going to go ahead and check. So the Evertail is done, so I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just playing through it. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just running it. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. All right, so I'm just playing through it right here. Super simple, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. So honestly, I think we're pretty much done. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and do the other app. So let me just go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to do this for a little bit more here. So now we'll do the other one, which is Tokyo Debunker. It's the same thing, guys. Just got to play through it right here, as you can see. Just doing some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm just playing through it. So it should be pretty easy. So I'm just going to do this right here, as you can see. All right. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this for a little bit more, guys, as you can see. All right, so I'm just playing through it. So yeah, it's pretty easy. So I'm just running this right here. All right, so I'm just going to do this for a little bit more here, as you can see. And we should get the Candy Blossom, guys. So this is super cool. So be sure to try it out. So all you have to do is open up Roblox at the end and go on Grow a Garden, and you should have the Candy Blossom, guys. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is fully working, guys. So it's super cool. So as you can see, guys, we have the Candy Blossom. So definitely go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys, if you want to get it. I mean, this is super crazy. So as you can see, I got it right there. So be sure to try it out, and peace out.